again here, and I'm here with a few pieces of art that I have finished up this week. I have a workshop, a finger painted flowers workshop coming up, an in-person workshop this weekend, and so I have been kind of brushing up on that, making some examples, and I have a few that are like in progress at different stages. I'm not going to show you those, but these are ones that I've gone ahead and finished, or at least I'm calling them finished for now. Sometimes I go back and add some tweaks as time passes. But here we go here. I have this one is an 11 by 14. Some of these are on paper. They're on different surfaces. I also did some in sketchbooks too, and I'm not showing those. These are just like finished hangable pieces. So there's this one done on a black background, dark background. I have this one as a 9 by 12, this purple pot, lots of little doodle details on this one. Let's see, I have a couple that are landscape oriented. See if I can fit these in here. I like this one, very colorful. It's got some collage and other bits in with it as well. And this one is not a floral, it's like a house plant, I guess, of some sort. So I have that one. And here we go with another portrait. Not sure I can fit that all in there. I'm really liking these black and white stripe bits in there, either in the pots or the tabletops. I think those are pretty fun. So I kind of went on a jag of that. And then this one is on a stretched canvas, which is what they will be working on in my workshop. So you can kind of see that. So that's what I've been up to, and I'll have a little bit here that follows of me making those. So just sit back and enjoy. you.